in the process of finishing up this Valvetronic mid-pipe. Pull the stock exhaust down, chop the rear section right at that wide portion from here on back. It's the stock system from here to the downpipe flanges. And, roughly the stock size outlets. Then it steps up to a 3.5-inch full mid-pipe, and then back to the duals in the rear. Everything fits really nice quality, all nice TIG welded setups. Here's actually two of the runs on map 0. Both 475 wheel horsepower, 433, 436 foot-pounds of torque. So super consistent, even with the thing sitting here kind of idling for a bit. So now we'll switch it over to...
So it looks like the mid-pipe definitely added, because stock people are getting 460-ish. So the mid-pipe looks like it added about 10 to the wheels. Torque is probably about the same, which is what I've been hearing with the mid-pipes. So overall, I'm happy with 10 wheels. Not bad from a mid-pipe.
With the deep.
Couple downshifts. So for daily driving, commuting, it's the perfect sound without being obnoxious for the neighbors or side passengers and whatnot. So this is my normal commuting. So cool thing is, if you want to make it a little bit louder, you can go sport. You can hear the burbles. So you know, it takes you one step higher without being the loudest. And I'll show you. All right, I'll switch it on to Sport Plus. That's my MT mode. driving, quiet BMW, non-neighbor disturbing, and then all of a sudden it's a complete different beast. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and till next time, thank you.